Let's shut it up. If you want to drop further than London, that's fine. I really all the way till 563. I gotta be bullish though. 200-point drop wouldn't even change my thoughts.
Apple has a bad candle here. We were talking about yesterday.
It'd actually be nice if we go up and reject 850-ish or 860-ish and then come back down. I would take a short there too.
Okay.
Since we hit that 822 and one.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Should I key that 852?
Google having another good morning, 1.6% up.
Yeah, Meta up a bunch too. Just was 622.
Yeah.
But
Steps in profit. Oh, it was 2 ticks off my take profit. That sucks.
The worst.
I didn't trim because it was so close. I just put my stop in profit.
Okay, give me 1 second. Just cleaning everything up here.
27s.
Google coming down hard after that overnight ripper.
Just wait.
Apple is 6 for 6 for ripper candle right out of the gate. We talked about this yesterday. The last I think it was 5 or 6 sessions.
It really
This
has
happens every single time.
And obviously, like when you know that, right, and you see that happening, it can still be hard to play.
Let's rock and
I know
roll.
a lot of these
Let me
people are
see. Hold on
trying
1
to
second.
play that, but at the end of the day, it's kind of like the market at all-time highs. It's like you play it until you get smacked. You're gonna get smacked one of these times, but until you do, you kind of just play that, right? I feel like you can really capitalize on that.
I'm still waiting.
Oh no, what happened to BK?
IWM.
If you guys have any questions, again, always feel free to ask. Hold on, just give me 1 second. I'm just setting myself up here.
Trying to bounce, but IWM is ripping. It opened up above previous day high and ripped $1.20 off of it.
yeah, you're getting that move off the lower rates this morning from the weaker retail sales number. So you got lower rates across the board, which is a
Mhm.
bit in IWM. The trend line comes in right about here in this 242 area in IWM.
I'm looking for short. If it on this candle, just wait and see what happens.
You got you now, BK.
Yeah, every time I accept the invite,
I'm short.
And now it's giving you trouble.
I don't like how wiki it is, but I'm very light.
All about sizing.
I got out of Meta yesterday, thinking I'd get an intraday entry today, and it gapped up pretty strong. So no.
Yeah, she's not giving you that this morning.
Okay,
Nothing.
let's rock and roll.
Come on, sell it off.
Let's see what this market gives us.
It's like we're trying to
Yeah,
hold
right.
this one in low so far.
I know, right?
Yeah, we swept it pretty hard, but
Yes, I is ripping. Okay, I'm out.
yeah, SPY is stronger for sure.
Yeah, IWM, it hasn't stopped. It's still going.
Yes, gotta take that damn high.
AMD, they have something at 210 here.
What? Hey, what are we doing?
I mean, you have VIX about to give up 20. There's GG's.
What are we cooked?
Oscar.
I have a very tight stop loss, so I get wicked out.
Yes, is weird, dude.
Hmm.
Divergence. Hello. Like, what should we do?
Usually when there's a divergence, that's how we become choppy.
Why is this popping? Well, just remember, we have pending home sales at 10,
Okay.
so
That is true.
watch out for that. I
forgot
don't
the
know
pending
how gnarly the reaction's going to be. We haven't gotten any home sales in a while. So
Okay, let's see.
It could be really nothing, but like, I don't know. It might be a little gnarlier than usual.
This is what, September's data?
Microsoft is coming down.
I believe. right? Let me see.
Yeah, it should be for September.
Okay, let's wait for this to play out for a second here. Check my alerts. Are they on? Okay.
I'm doing nothing right now.
I'm just gonna wait.
Yeah, I mean, Apple just
Popping up here.
I mean, I'm just about to do this every morning. Just every morning, just pull Apple up and just buy calls.
NVIDIA is now less than $100 billion larger than Apple. Just saying.
Oh,
NVIDIA for like 170, about to lose 173.
NVIDIA drilling, I'm good.
Apple
Broadcom opened up and then gave that whole move up also.
280.
My friends at Oracle also doing the same.
Ooh, okay. Apple with a $5 ripper here. May reject at that 280 mark. Big level here.
Broadcom yesterday was insane.
SanDisk going lower.
It's just a smaller version of my last name. People just call me G Nods. That's why.
Yes, sir.
Summary 2028, $7 million. So we'll see.
600.
Yeah, they bought 3,147 contracts at 22.39 for 7.05 million. That's aggressive.
These wicks.
Okay. Apple starting to reject here.
Yeah. I'm looking for shorts again. I'm in.
I just think on the daily ES, you're literally pegged right at this trend line. It's down from right here. So
Apple over 280. Rivian, nice candle above previous day high.
That SanDisk that was testing me at midpoint of yesterday.
Well, at Netflix.
Those
Is something at 105? There is.
drilling too now. Took a short at 225. Let's say this.
Netflix is a nice reversal candle here. What is? Oh, it's the buy zone.
Is anybody's a ninja trader now?
Meta, Google.
I'm on trade today.
Hood puts coming in here.
I think things are working. I haven't tried to execute. So.
How do you guys like the new background? Is it nice? Google 330.
Copy open. I'm gonna just sit and steal. That's all right. We got time to collect that.
Yeah, this is a really tight range.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait here for a second.
My chair is very obnoxious. I have in the back of my head that I gotta look into whoever you use for your share again.
Autonomous
There's
AI.
31 points. Size out.
We just went lower there.
Autonomous AI. It's not autonomous AI, but autonomous labs, right?
Gotta
You just made something against that.
autonomous.ai.
Wow, really?
Sorry. Every chair company is an AI company if you sell chairs.
Okay, we're looking weaker here.
Oh, dude, I love you.
Evan tried to call me out. I ain't lying.
Looking weaker here. Google,
48 points there.
Meta,
Good job, Maxie.
Microsoft.
Yeah, I'm short from 853. Nice guy.
Netflix trying to hold there.
I don't have very many because I had one left. But my stop loss is on this one.
Okay. Now that we actually got to move out of this range, we can start to trade. Let's wait for something to pop up.
God, that took a little
Built
bit.
the first batch at 795. Got runners. Breath is positive, but the you get the merging. NICE is positive, Nasdaq's negative. Obviously, NVIDIA driving a lot of that. On the sectors, obviously tech leading the downside, XLK, financials up, consumer discretionary, communications, healthcare up big again. Tell you what, healthcare keeps running, and the other thing I keep thinking about is the defensive sectors continue to kind of work. Healthcare has been on a nice run.
I'm not going to try to catch the
64
There we go.
points.
Yeah, still weak. Still weak. Still weak.
Just chilling.
Why couldn't they just flush it like the first time? Ate them. 69 points.
I think they wanted to tag the 50 day in the SPX. That's what they did.
Come on. Come on.
They
Come on.
literally
Give us
tagged it
something.
to the penny and then-
Give us something.
moving
I'm still
my
waiting
stop
for
loss further off.
us to come back in a little bit and see if we could reject
Oh,
off the
damn.
9 or 21.
Let's go.
We are dropping hard here.
86 points. Oh my lord.
Bro. Very nice.
It's 110 points. I'm just moving this trail thing as fast as I can.
Dude, I did not think this would happen. I could have gotten 25 points.
I know. Hey.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. We are
Bigger.
cooking to the downside here.
Just drilling it.
No, of course. No way to get feed yourself up for making money.
I'm still personally staying patient. I'm gonna be looking for a new buyer still.
And then the breath is, plus 271 positive, so not as negative as yesterday. I would say that. I mean, obviously, tech's the biggest laggard in the group. NVIDIA 171 now. So here's the other problem. NVIDIA losing this 178 area is, I think, important because now you really got some overhead supply ahead of you on this break.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, 50% hit. We hit 50% retracement of yesterday's session on A2, 742.25.
that is still looking good.
Is it?
I'm down to run.
Dude, still weak. Look at this drop.
Friday. It's now marking for $9. I paid $1.90 for it.
Oh, wow.
140 points.
Let's go, Minxie.
Oof. Why do I only have one contract?
I had a
Why
buy.
do I have
I trimmed
mine?
them. I got 2 runners. I trimmed 3.
Jesus.
Dude, look at this drop. So now we're going to wait for a bounce back and we're going to short it. It's just when are they going to give us that bounce back is the question.
That's so embarrassing.
Going to get a put spread today for sure, off of what I see here.
Long contracts and things can fuck that up, honestly. I know Minxie, you're used to. She's like, no, but I'm used to. Wait,
Yeah,
what?
because they
I
do
know.
heavier.
I said one contract and put it to work.
Oh, it did.
Yeah, I bet. 140
Well,
points.
no,
Wait, are you
I
on
have-
one big or what?
162 points now.
Is it a
No,
mini?
I'm up 30. Yeah. 100.
Yeah,
Oh, sorry, I'm
yeah.
up 300 bucks on it.
Yeah.
But I did have more when I scaled out earlier. Left.
They're draining this. Draining it. Look at this.
But I am trailing it though with my stop loss. I'm just moving my stop loss.
They're absolutely draining this.
Oh man.
21 bigs.
$3,300 is almost 3 weeks working at $30 now.
I'm surprised to see this move right now.
66.75 was my looking at yesterday. That was my weekly FIB target for today. So
My stop loss is a 710. I'm about to get stopped out.
I have a pivot on my chart right here. Yes, right here, like 93.75.
Yes, has less of a house like that. So.
Wow, it didn't stop me out. That's freaking crazy. It came to 706. My stop loss is a 710. I feel like Rizzo today. So let's go, Rizzo. Holy shit.
Yeah, we're dropping here.
790.
Oh my lord.
The best decision I made this morning was not trying to long it.
Straight down here.
Yeah, no confluence for it if you've been looking long at all.
Maybe if you get down to like
By the time I take a
50
screenshot,
minutes.
it's gonna go back.
Let me know when you take the screenshot. Oh my god.
Don't.
I don't know.
I know what just happened.
City. Nope. Hemp just trade some spy puts, he said. The goat.
Oh, 215.
I'd have to say like 585 to try to long
Oh,
this.
this is a sweep, you guys. This is another sweep that just came through.
Got some data in 10 minutes. Data. Yep, pending home sales.
Dater.
Imagine we get a. I don't know. I'm thinking we get a decent reaction from it, even though it's not even red folder because we haven't gotten this in a while. But we'll see.
What in the hell is going on?
Is this Thursday all over again?
I don't know, but I am up.
You have no complaints?
I am shooketh because usually I would be out of the trade.
Okay, so proper.
I started a little long there at 625 because I have a level here. I'm just trying a little scalp. Go.
I
Go. 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 I have a stop and profit. And yeah. I trimmed here at 650. I had a level. So there was a low of the overnight, like from 3 days ago, and they've been repeatedly bouncing it there. We literally just looked at it at 602. That low, I've literally been playing every single time we get to it.
Oh, my stop build.
The goat.
Damn.
Okay, that was a good trade.
No, anyone who's a goat right now is Minxie. She just hammered that shit.
See, here's the thing though. Okay, so I'm looking. Okay, my P&L was like over 5K. Now it's only at 3,300 because I let it like freaking reverse, and my stop loss was a 710. And that's like, but I don't like doing that. I don't know how like some people can sit there and let their trades go completely like from green to completely red. You know?
No, never. That's a mistake if you do that.
Uh,
Stop it always in profit once you're especially in a good position. But that's why it's if you scale in contracts or 3 contracts or whatever it is, you kind of scale out of them and let it run and let it get stopped out. That's how you should.
oh, I must move my stop loss actually. Hold on. What was-
100 points there. Now it's nice.
Yeah.
A little bit oversold in the short term.
I have a stop now at what's it called? Like really tight up here, 680. I did small. I mean, I wasn't going big size into that.
Did
But-
anybody take a short?
No, I wish I did.
Yeah, I was.
I closed it very early, but yes.
I do want to take one. If we get to 730-ish. Oh, look at that 5 minute. They're about to engulf the previous 5 minute. Look at that shit. We just hit that 730. Don't tell me that's it. If I didn't take it there, I'm going to be a little upset now. Oh, that might be it. No.
Scalp there. I took scalp from 730s, 30 points.
I'm long off the reclaim of my weekly pay of 66.5.
Yeah, I don't know why I did that. I can't see.
What a long nonce.
Yeah, I just grabbed the short here.
What a short.
I don't know if that's going to work out. And I hope it kind of does, but we'll see. But I like the basically almost, I guess, halfback of that move.
Taking it, I mean, that's stop is just a high above this wick again. And there it is.
Damn, no.
We're gonna probably test VWAP on ES. It's right here.
Yeah, we might. Fuck. That was stupid.
67.10 is a VWAP on ES. 67.11. So we get a little trade out of that.
That was stupid. Let's see. It's got to reject here. Otherwise, I'm out.
Come on, tag the VWAP. Let's go. You know you want to.
Come on, give me 780 cents.
News in 4 minutes. You're gonna have pending home sales.
Meta new high day.
Wow, 625 on Meta. Unbelievable. What a move.
Okay, there we go. That's what I wanted to see right there. Can they drop it more? They have to get under 730. And I'm golden. I don't like that wick. Also rejecting the 5-minute 9 there at 780. Yeah, this. I just didn't time the entry that good. Let's see.
And against these lows. I want to short like 11 1/4 right at the VWAP. And then you're against these lows from the morning for a scalp. Come on. Lift it. There we go.
Short at 787.
Yeah, I'm out. Damn. That's frustrating. It's bad. Bad timing. Bad timing.
Give me 760s for my stop and profit.
IWM new high day. The bounce was insane.
Yeah, the regional banks KRE just broke out over the trend line on the daily chart.
I had a level on spot at 664.69, and it just ripped almost $4 off that.
Seller.
Baba Coast Cisco, green and red. Golden figures they look could be nice here.
So let's kind of go over that trade. Okay. Let's talk about what I should have done. I shouldn't have gotten the entry right here. Actually, I got it down here. That is not good. I should have waited till we got up to this 3-minute 9 here, which would have worked out because we also got a basically 20+ point drop there. We're coming into 2 levels right here, which have been big levels for months now or weeks now. We came into 3-minute 9. 3 minutes where you want to see these entries. And now look at this total reversal. I should have really continued my long from here, but I just kept it stopped way too tight. So we had a 200-point long, just very, very
SPX back over 60.
short. I trimmed out way too early. I got to stop way too early. So now
I think I'll toss this.
we got to get back.
That's not-
Got to get back into the saddle.
We're still in it.
Got to get back into the saddle. Now we wait for a trade.
Okay, we're back in profit.
Data's out 1.9%. Pending home sales forecast is 0.5.
Consumer confidence also 88.7 versus 93.3. So on the weaker side for consumer.
Okay, watch Amazon if we reject.
And then Richmond Fed -15 versus -5 expectation. So
230-ish. A lot of stuff. Apple. That 280 still being a pain in the ass.
Yeah, stop down to 809.
Meta.
Still would be up more.
Meta. 635. Apple, Amazon, Meta. Watching for shorts. Okay. Let's do this again. Let's make this right. That's what I want to do. I want to make this right.
Stop and profit. Okay, I'm happy now. Yeah, I didn't get stopped yet, but it's in profit. There's a trend. Alright, cool.
Okay, they brought it all the way down to the 3-minute 9. I'm not going to touch this here until we break a direction.
There's my stop and profit. Alright, cool.
Apple weakening. Still above. That's a reversal candle right there. We have a lower high so far. Still on the 9. A VWAP right here. But the 3 minutes all the way down here. It's really just Amazon and Apple.
I will talk to you.
Let me guess, we dropped? Oh, yeah, we dropped.
Good luck.
Okay.
It's looking like a pretty high chances that first IB break will be the low today rather than the high.
Flip back all the way. The VWAP.
Look at that. They just drained that the whole way down. They just drained that the whole way down. Damn.
Wow, they did. Yes, they did.
Back into the 600s already after just literally being in the 800s.
Got a nice wick on the 5 minute on IWM. Wicked over that 242.80 and pushing lower now.
Wow, circles down 6.26%.
Wow.
Holy shit. I just had to hold my short for another minute. NVIDIA and AMD are getting abused. No, like abused. Look at that shit. Oh my god.
Yeah, NVIDIA 169 down 7%. AMD down 9%. AMD.
Yeah. Wait, what was the what's wrong with that? What did I miss?
8.9%. 0.7 too.
I think the big news is the fact that Google and Meta are going to form some type of partnership on the
Okay.
TPOs. So they announced that last night. Meta was going to buy TPOs from
Google.
Google.
TPUs,
So,
and it's a rumor from the information, which does get stuff wrong every once in a while. It's basically what the article read was like Google asked Meta to consider it, maybe using them a little bit, and Meta's mistaken. I don't know. It's still something that can lead to nothing, I would say. And the read is, from my perspective, is that for AMD is priced on it being the number 2 to NVIDIA, and that headline is a doubt. So for NVIDIA to doubt that, like, hey, their monopoly is over a little bit, and people thought AMD would be the one to break it.
Yeah, we just rejected the 3.9 there.
Dude, these candles are wild.
Yeah.
trading around VWAP, I think, right now. Just kind of above it, below it, not back to it. Right in this range.
Not check your text.
Damn, I just missed a log on Amazon. Yikes.
IB forms in 20 minutes.
Walmart. Damn. Wally World is cooking.
Apple's flagging here.
There's Apple nice. I like Meta as well. They're not as good of a structure.
It's teasing me a little bit. NVIDIA was only like $2 billion larger than Apple for a second there, so let's see if that's over.
Shorts is on our 103 puts for Friday that are up 70%.
I want to see what we do here. There's 755.
Breath is plus 297 to the upside. Ticks are, I would say, more on the positive side. I mean, we drilled at kind of the open time frame, and then they're closing more positive. So I would say right now, path of least resistance, maybe chopped up. We could go nowhere. NASDAQ is obviously the weaker one. ES a little bit stronger.
Yeah, we saw it all morning.
And NASDAQ down 160, ES down 4. So need to see the Nasdaq clean the overnight low, which is 24.
A put spread on Nvidia. Good. I'm gonna wait and see here for a second. Meta Awakening. I think if NQ gets under 750, I want to short.
Honestly, the bearish trade is.
Oh, you fuck.
was
Come
high versus
on.
Nasdaq.
Dude. I can't even get that quick enough. Look at that. Oh, man.
50 days right above us.
Dude, someone help me. Shit just went so quick. Damn. Bastards. Freaking bastards. Ah, shit.
Oh, Apple was 2 billion away again. Come on, give me the screenshot.
The screenshot.
And that's around the trigger right there. He's refreshing the
Let's see if we reject 750. I can't enter that.
A lot of chop, just back and forth, inside bars. Kind of got a, symmetrical triangle forming from the open to the low. Kind of draw that, look for break. The next move, if not, just be choppy.
Now you can't short this because I gotta see how this 3 minute closes. We're rejecting 9. We have the 9 right here at 760. We have the 2 minute 21 at 764. So if we can't get above that 760, I'm going to try a short again.
Down. Oil energy getting annihilated. There was some news on Ukraine agreeing to the peace deal that was put in front of them.
There you go. Strong. Still trying to hold. But the EMAs are still down there, so I can't tell myself, okay, this looks like a good side to do it. 87, 582. Let me get this ready. No, it's still doing it.
Basically bi-weekly basis, 14 days out of it, selling premium. And it just keeps paying.
Okay. Okay. I'm in for a short.
Down a smidge. Just AMD and NVIDIA. Wow. NVIDIA trying to reclaim that 170 here.
Come on, break down.
You got 30-minute order.
We're in for a short. We rejected the 21 and the 9. We rejected the 5, 9. Should break under 700 here. Got to be in 709.
Yeah, tick's starting to go below the 0 line. We just had one closed out there. That last bar. That was the low tick of the day, minus about 400. Rest still positive 277. Advancers, decliners. However, the prints from the open are down, so opening prices. I think you get chopping here for the time being.
So reason why this short,
Flying.
2 minute 9 and 21 are rejecting. 3 minute 9 and 21 are rejecting. Look at that wick. 5 minute 9 is rejecting. All leaning down, all curling down. So now we just need to break 709. We could push into 680s. Come on. You could do it.
A little bit weaker data and more Fed commentary, so that looks good. Bonds continuing to come to the upside and yields.
Okay, added one more. Dude, what is going on here? Oh, this day already pissed me off. Come on, drop it down. Stop with the bullshit. We know you don't want to push it up. Add one more to that. Stop there. Come on. Under 730 or 720.
Free prop for people out there. You should use code WOLF. Get you the best discount.
Oh yeah.
I saw
On a
Apex.
day like this, you might be getting chopped up.
Black Friday coming up. Too.
Yeah, I'm getting chopped up, that's for sure.
At the end of it. It looks like they're not doing their 90% off. It's only at 80.
Still amazing.
Only at 80.
Come on, man.
Stupid shit. I don't know about the towns, but
We got Lux Algo Black Friday sale too. Black Friday's a good time of year.
Yeah.
I saw Gina post his it's a good time of year to test this.
it is.
Rejection again at the 3 minute 9. Rejection again at the 5 minute 9. Still everything curling down. So we're not getting strength. Look at this. 2 minute 9 and 21. Rejection, rejection. We just need to break below the 720. It's kind of like that trade. Let's see. Come on.
We just went over with Jordan after close yesterday the new webhook stuff you can do right in the strategies.
Yeah, I like to see the EMAs curling. In this case, they're still all the way down. We're getting those rejections into them. It's just there's too much chop today. Honestly, I think I may call it a day after this and just do spreads because there's just way too much chop. I got killed on that first, not killed, but I mean, I'm just saying I lost on that first trade. And as of right now, I could possibly even lose on this one. It's just not doing what I think it would. And that's fine. Listen, you have days like that. I've been trading for 11 years. You have days like that. You're not going to win every single day. You're not going to win every single trade. You got to know that going into trading. Otherwise, mindset's just screwed. Yeah, they're going to pull this through. They're going to pull this through, and I'm going to get stopped. I'm going to get stopped on futures for sure.
Options automation, like how does it choose?
Got to break below here.
Next strike.
They pull it through 780. I got to get out.
Yeah, it's all rules decision based, so you can kind of go in. I mean, it's like
At 775.
Yeah, you can go in.
Do.
Whatever the parameters are, IB rank, above or below moving averages. If the bid ask spread's too wide, you don't have to put a trade on.
They got me on the futures.
Has a scanner that looks for that stuff.
Yeah, they literally wicked me.
I
mean, they could obviously push through and not wick me, but they wicked me so far on futures.
Call spreads above or below the breakout, which has worked out pretty good.
They're probably going to bust it right through right now.
I think you get with options. Obviously,
Over 785, I'm out. And they're playing on that upper end now.
just automation in general.
I'd love to see a kill candle.
And IB forms here. 10 minutes.
Would love to see a kill candle.
Looks like we have.
I don't think I'm going to get that.
Looks like we have a 75% chance that we hit IB low first.
Back into the 40s. And
IB by rejection data.
It's just hanging out over 20.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Come on.
Market today.
Bring it under. Bring it under.
Yeah, those are definitely moving more.
Coming in very much. Just kind of stuck there. IWM kind of backing off the 50-day and trying a little bit here.
The 2 is trying to curl up there on the 9, but
15 minutes.
still very weak. Look at all those wicks to the upside. Yes, we have higher lows here, but we're just wedging for a move either way now.
Right now, I'd say that NQ looks weaker, the weakest here. You kind of got this.
The NQ does look weak. It's just not
very
doing
low
what
VWAP.
we want.
Really did not take, couldn't reclaim the overnight low either. Rejected it. Higher end of the range. I'd like to see it reclaim overnight low and then get some more constructive back into the range around the VWAP.
Okay.
See, chat. RSP already hit the 200 DMA. What do you think?
On the daily, I guess it's a DMA.
Daily 200 or night? I think it did. 200 DMA. Daily moving average. I'm going to assume, I don't see that on my chart. I see the 200 down at 180. But when you look at the whole, which is.
Okay, so NDX Iron Condor being the way that we're chopping.
RSP.
Bought 24,180 puts. So I sold 24,200 puts. And I'll put this, I'm writing this in chat. Sold 25,000. Ooh, 25,080. Call. Bought. Entry. Ooh, what did we just drop?
188.38, so about $1 higher than where we are. Maybe 75
Come on.
cents.
Break it.
We close up above it. We get a retest where it holds the 50. Break above, retest the 50, and back down. And it holds that 50. You can probably look at maybe a long there. That'd be a little more constructive.
Did we?
However, with tech weak and you're at resistance kind of across the board.
Come on.
Like
Drop it.
I see financials get back above, the downtrend line, XLF. Healthcare looks good. Probably targeting that 159. I don't really see any reason not to target those highs. Fire flagged out right at 142. Then you have a break.
Okay, here's our spread. Come on, drop it down.
Staples is off.
I sent the Condor in that YouTube too, so people could see. 'Cause I know some of the Discord people are just sitting there.
Biotech, that's probably catching. I figured it'd be with rates.
Come on.
Biotech XBI pullback to the 20, probably a buy. We got maybe a little bit over.
Yeah, no way. Come on. Break that to 720. We're still weak. Look at these 9. Or look at all those rejections up there.
If you're going to get lower rates, biotech.
Come on.
Well, it's a long duration asset, so.
Gotta break under this 720. 707, sorry. Damn, right back up. Oh, come on. Stop with that shit. green on my short, but I feel like we're gonna get a drop.
I think right now you probably got some chop in there.
Maybe I just gotta take it. I don't know. We're just chopping. Short's probably flat now. I'm red now on that pop. Damn. These mothers don't want me to breathe. Come on. Fall down. Reject again there. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. I mean, it's still weak. Rejecting the 9 EMA again. Can't get above that 760 with strength. 2 and 3s are rejecting. Rejected the 221. Rejected the 3-9. They're all still leaning straight down. Just got to break below that 700. So I'm going to stay in the short until we do that. Yeah, I agree with you. I agree. I mean, it's weak. It's definitely weak. Just got to break under that 700 here. They just keep holding it a little bit there. Come on. Come on. Look, 9 pushing down even more now. But they're holding it over and over. That's the issue. Just that hold there. Probably just going to have to close this. Too much screwing around here. So 743, 600. Here we have 587. Yep, look, it just went higher. Damn. Yeah, that's it. Okay. I gotta get out. That's frustrating. Okay, that's 2 losses for the day. Again, very small with the sizing I'm doing as I'm testing this, but 2 losses for the day is not fun there. Not what I want to see. Not what I want to see. Google still holding. Meta still holding. Damn bastards got me. No, looks like we got no sell side.
Meta's teasing a run to that orb high.
No sell side there. Damn.
IWM now with the orb high. We gonna have more.
It's frustrating, man. Let me mark these.
Yeah, Intel.
Yeah, look at that. Now we have definitely changed the thought there. Strong move higher.
careful thinking down along the right here. The tick is a little extended, almost 700 on the episode.
It's a frustrating day so far. AMD and NVIDIA are starting to curl. We're over the 5. We're not over the 3 yet. So I want to see a move over that 3. Hold on 1 second. Let me just replace my screen for a second. Is that working? Yeah.
Yeah, you can see
What
VIX
just
bleeding
popped
down
up on my?
towards
What the
20.
Hold on. Let me
Like
fix
that,
the screen share. Give me a second.
starts losing 20. That's like
My thing's glitching.
quick rallies. Wouldn't surprise me.
We're not gonna work.
Tomorrow.
Okay. Hey. Fucking restream. It's working now. Nope. Dude, what is going on? Can you guys see my screen?
Making choppy chop.
I know. Getting a little wild out there.
Yeah.
Bounce yesterday, though.
Yeah, it was.
I'm not so sure it's over, though. I mean, some things good, some things bad. Kind of like how it's been. Speaking of, what are you guys getting into right now?
Not doing very well today.
Which one?
86 Bitcoin.
Oh, Biddy? Yeah, I was gonna focus on you recently.
if I want to trade this chop as of right now. And that's why we do a condor. And that condor will make way more than I lost. I lost, let's see. I lost $200. And I'm going to make over 1,500 if that condor works out, that is. But yeah, look at that 2 and 3 minute lined up right there. Would have been a perfect. If I wasn't messing around with the thing there, I actually would have probably taken that some back.
Oh yeah.
Russell. I think it's not bad. I just pulled up. I mean, it's all a little bare. Buy on the 50-day right now. Keep you opened in the pre-market on it. Little rejection. So I hold it.
I just don't know if all my stuff.
Dude, what is going on with this fucking computer?
But if we get to, what was it, 30?
Oh, AMD did support that 9, dude.
Yeah. Like,
This computer just pissed me off.
Struggle bus up there and tap it. But
I just missed 2 trades because of the computer.
so
The only thing is we need to break this down trend line first, and you're also below the 50 in the SPX, so
that's what I mean. Like, I think we get like little squeezes.
Oh,
that
Google.
that all of a sudden look good, and then it probably gets slapped.
yeah, I think you're gonna need maybe not, but I'd like to see a little like retracement of yesterday's, and then like tomorrow we blast the 50 in the trend line, and then but you got the
This morning I have like exactly a 50% pullback of yesterday's range. Yeah, like exactly. Yep. So I have that in the books already.
the 50 sits at 57. Or, I'm sorry, 67.15 is the 50-day in SPX, and then the 67.40, and then you got this downtrend line that is basically. We need to do something with it. It's got a break or you got basically very.
Yeah. If we do off lows, we're 50 boost points off the lows, which is a pretty good number.
Nice little bounce.
Yeah, it got bought. The sell off.
My dog has to do that in this room.
Really, the majority of the selling is AMD and NVIDIA.
Believe it or not. Well, like the first time ever. Like, I'm caught in a little bear flag on good. Off the free market highs. Right now, like if you meant like after the pre-market levels, little absolutely ripping face to the upside. Some staples like I bought.
Amazon's still holding up.
I drilled it. Actually,
Google weak, just like yesterday.
You know, this is wild. DraftKings is finally like.
AMD's really holding up here, but we have VWAP right here, so I do want to wait. If I was able to look at my screen when it was glitching, I would have got a long off that 9 because that's what I was looking for, but no bueno.
I got a 15-minute squeeze going on ES right now.
Yeah.
3 dots in, so.
Jordy's over here texting me that he's buying these 700 calls on SPY for January. And I'm like, bro, you know, I'm with it, bro. I'm with it. I gotcha. He's like, dude, they're like, I mean, like, he's like, yeah, man, they're like $400 today. You know, he got them at like 3 and change earlier. I'm like, dude, it's not horrible, right? He's like, yeah, man, they were like near 7 the other day. He's like, I'm happy with it. I'm like, you know,
I'd like to do.
I got
if you're gonna buy them, you can buy like the. You know, I guess I'm just using ES just for reference.
See.
You buy like the 68.
If I'm looking longs, I'm looking AMD and NVIDIA.
Maybe
They have nice upside here. AMD could get to 200 for sure. Easily get to 200.
Sell like a 1x2 or 1x3 ratio spread up to like 750 or 7100 or something.
I mean, I thought I saw the sell-off coming. It didn't come for me.
I'm with it. I'm with it. He's like, this is in what do you call it? We're in you know, complacency mode. We're gonna climb the wall of worry, and then when we get, you know, happy again, you know.
Bro, with the way we reacted off these lows, I mean, for now.
He's like, listen, the dollar tagged 100, just over 100. He got absolutely slapped. Right? He's like, Japan stepping in, rate change. We're gonna.
Okay, AMD rejecting right now.
You know, they're gonna step in and.
What are we talking about here, dude?
You know what? I like the gameplay, Jordy.
Consumer confidence at 88 is by 5.5 points.
Still chopping through here. No trade. Give myself one more trade, but still chopping through right now, so nothing there.
Better numbers for inflation, especially for I'm in the camp that more inflation will continue.
Google is just getting decimated. Meta's been holding up really well all day. Meta also wants 635, I think it is, which is this level right here, or that's at 21. Just right here.
Look at this. Since you're macro, look at this dollar drop. Tell me that's not tell me
I do like Meta. Like, oh, AMD's still going, bitch. Okay, it's over the 9. I mean, it's over the VWAP. Okay, so now I'm looking for long dips. Now that, because I missed that 196.
Go look at weekly or something.
And turn it on.
Yeah, now Jordan's telling me it's on, and I'm like, what are you doing? My good.
So we got NVIDIA to 175 and to 200. AMD to 200.
See? This playbook's working, man.
Yeah, VIX under 20.
Guy's a pro, guys.
There goes Meta.
What happens in the back channel?
Meta, again, 2 and 9 holding. Could have got along there. Just trying to be cautious, trying to be patient, trying to get the best trade I can, especially after 2 losses there.
Almost 70 points off the low.
Okay, dip into 198. I'm going long. I dip into 172. I'm going long.
NVIDIA at VWAP.
Yeah, breath continues to improve as well.
Yep. Angel's been actually pretty good all day. I mean, look at Dory's like 700 calls for Jack. They're flying.
Look at his midnight open right now. We need to hit it before 11 o'clock Eastern.
Is that for buy? Just now.
The data. There. But it's just like for me in the morning, I know. Boosted.
leave my time too long. I've waited because this is probably a good spot.
Thank you, Kev. I appreciate that. Today, I'm not really helping anyone, but oh, come on.
The market goes into
I can't believe not a good day trading for me. And missed opportunity with a computer malfunction. Very fun. Makes it even worse. Makes it even worse. Netflix is already at that 200. I mean, AMD's already at that 200. Let's hit 103.5, I'm guessing. No.
What do you think of Oracle paper?
It's not one for me.
The
Long term, I think it's fine. Like
the opening highs here, almost
it just freaks me out.
almost at the opening highs.
I mean, I honestly like Uber as a boost for 200, but it's just knifing.
Almost at the opening highs.
They can go slightly lower. Oracle, I'd say check back around like 170. Or if you get a higher low, you have a clean fair value around the high 170s. When you completely fill that earnings gap, which I mean, yeah, it's gonna fill that earnings gap.
Ooh, CRM.
I think it looks like it's gonna fill that earnings gap.
I'll watch CRM.
It does, though. This daily wick off of it is pretty good.
Yeah, it's a bit aggro.
HD.
Or Meta or Pi again.
That's the 20 that coming in hot. Like 430, 633 at max on Meta. For that range. It's close.
Wow, Reddit.
The first time I've heard keys in a long time. Just like them banging away.
Okay, just writing that down for me. I need a little bit more depth. If we can get into the 197s would be perfect. Same thing, right at 172. 187 and 172. Okay. Where's the 5?
Tick just went a little negative.
Okay.
Net flow is still positive.
I don't like not holding over previously high SPX.
Wow. for a bounce here. Ran 5-minute 9 and 21, 2-minute 21. Looking for a bounce over 198.20. NVIDIA's starting it. Come on, 198. There we go. There we go. Trim one out there. Small gain, but gonna do it. There we go. Played that perfectly. Okay. Get the brain back in motion there. Okay, we want to see this hold 198. We want to get a move over 198.55, and then you see possibly new highs, or I should say new, intraday little pop here. And Q back over 800, or trying to. NVIDIA, nice bounce too. Got a 80-cent bounce. Come on.
Yeah, at least one. HD. Killing. Good day for that.
Right back down. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? I can't catch a break. Okay, I got myself a little win. Okay, I'm happy with that. Just got the brain right. RSP already hitting the 200 SMA and bouncing. Let me check that. Sorry. And navigating life right there. After a shitty morning, it'll win. I don't even care if it's nothing. Okay, RSP here. I'd watch to see if this 50 SMA if we break over it. Otherwise, we can come back in a little bit into the volume point of control here. About $1 lower, excuse me. Yeah, could come back in a little bit. So I'd watch. Again, look at EMAs curling down, but no trade there. I'm not taking that. AMD trying to push higher. I do have to hop off here, guys, by the way. I actually do have another call after this. I will keep you guys. I will actually come back. It'll be about 30 minutes to an hour, maybe, at most. But I'll be back. I'll be back. Okay. Nice bounce there. Oh, AMD would have been a beautiful play. Now, but look here. This is exactly why we grabbed this. And we talked about grabbing it up actually perfectly with the AMAs. 5-minute 9 lined up perfectly. We had it. And you got now you got that move into 200 here. So, but I just want you guys to see the reasoning for the entry there. Okay. So that worked out perfectly. Those contracts are now 450. Okay, that's fine. I'm getting out early there. I'm just ready to make that money back. I'll see if I get another trade soon. I do have to hop off here. I will be back. If you guys are interested, you can join us. Actually, for today, code BTF40 for 40% off at bulltradefinder.net. I will be back in 30 minutes to an hour.